Hello everyone, my name is Acetate, a chemical engineering student, and I'll be performing a non-toxic chemical reaction between bicarbonate of soda as well as vinegar. This is known to form hot ice, and it is safe to be performed at home. However, if you're someone with sensitive skin, you will need to have water close by just in case the water touches your skin, and you'll perhaps need to wear gloves. So you will need acetic acid that is known to be 5% acidity. You will need bicarbonate of soda that is 14 grams. You will need a scale to weigh your hot ice that will be formed, and you will need a pot to concentrate the solution of acetic acid as well as bicarbonate of soda by evaporating water. So you will need about 4 cups of acetic vinegar for this experiment, and then like 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and I'll mix them here until the bicarbonate of soda dissolves, and then I'll be able to boil it. So now I have 4 cups of vinegar in the pot, and I'll add 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda at the time to avoid overspilling. 1 tablespoon is equivalent to 1 sachet, which is 14 grams. We will see the solution will start to fizz. Okay, 1 tablespoon at a time to avoid overspilling. There we go. So now I've added about 4 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and I'm going to stir the mixture until all the bicarbonate of soda dissolves and the solution becomes clear. Then that's when I'll be able to boil the solution to get rid of the excess water. So you want to boil the solution for approximately 1 hour to 1 hour and 30 minutes until the solution has dissolved, has reduced by 90 to 75% of what was originally inside the solution. So this is the solution after it has boiled for about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and you want to stop boiling when you start to see crystals that are starting to form on the side of the pot. That's when you want to stop boiling, and the solution has reduced, meaning that some water has evaporated. So I'm going to remove the pot now, and I'm going to transfer it into a bowl, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to cool. So now we can see that there are residues on the pot, and I'm going to use my spoon to scrape these out, and then these are going to act as my crystals when the solution has cooled. Okay, so I'm going to pour it slowly here. And you can see the crystallization process is also happening inside the container, which means that there was some crystals of the bicarbonate that were in here. And I'm going to use a kitchen scale to weigh the mass of the crystals that were formed, and then from here I'll be able to perform my material balance. The crystals are quite hot, but then they're not hot enough to burn you. And then transfer this down. So I've transferred all my crystals into a kitchen scale, and we can see that the final product, which is sodium acetate, weighs 119 grams. From this I'll be able to perform my material balance. Also, the crystals can be touched with your bare hands because it is not that hard to burn you, it's just warm. That's the end of the experiment. Thank you.